guys. I know it's been a while here, and I'm so sorry. It has been a crazily busy last couple of months for me, and I just want to thank those that have reached out to me for the concluding parts of our foam component series. And without taking much time, let's dive in. In the last video, we created the text input type, the password input type, and the text area input type. So today we are going to look at the date input type and the selection inputs. Now to do this, I'm going to select this and just duplicate. What can we call this? Let's say this is date picker. Date picker. All right, let's I'm going to move this to the extreme. All right, I think we need a little bit of room here, so let me increase this a little bit. Yeah. All right, so the first thing we want to do here is update our label, our text label. This is going to be date picker, and the place of that text is going to be let me call it, okay, DD, that's date, that's the day, that's the month, Y, that's the year. Now this place of that text actually looks too prominent. I can just de-emphasize that by selecting a less darker color. Okay, I think this works fine. I'm just gonna do the same to these other guys. Okay, select, and then I'm going to just select this color. Okay, that's fine. All right, let's go ahead. Okay, so for this we would need to put an icon, a calendar icon to be precise. We need a calendar icon here, and to do this, we already have an icon placeholder in this variant. So I'm just going to come to the layer panel and select this right here. Then I will detach the layer visibility property and unhide it, as you can see here. Also, I don't think we're going to need this swap instance property, so I will detach this. Then here, let's select a suitable replacement. Let me search for a calendar. By the way, in case you couldn't find anything here, any icon here, what this means is that you don't have any icon in your local component. So what you can do is to maybe go online, download an icon, move the icon into this file, into the file you're working on, and convert it to a component. That is when you will be able to see those icons right here. Okay, let's go with this. Good. What else? I think this is good enough for our date picker inputs. Good. So the next thing I'm going to do is duplicate this. The input side, we're going to call this selection inputs, and then the text label, I'll change this to drop down, and then this to select. Okay. All right, again we need to use a suitable icon here. So the icon I'm going to use here, I'll just come in here, replace this to, let's say, chevron down. All right, gotcha. Okay, now there's something else we need to do here. Now this is the default state. We only need this icon to be able to indicate that this is a selection input. Also, after a selection is made, we need another icon that will help us to clear this selection to come back to this default state. So to do this, I would duplicate this icon. I'm going to duplicate this icon, and let's look for a suitable one, which is maybe a backspace will work. Okay. So one key thing that we need to take note of is this. This is not meant to show for the default states. So what we can do is to select this icon, come to the layer panel, and apply the layer visibility property. To do this, by the way, we've already created this property, so you just need to select the right one, which is the show icon right. Good. As you can see, it's hidden already. To demonstrate this quickly, let me take this out. So I can come here and just do show icon right, and you can see I can toggle on and off. Alright, so that is it for this tutorial, and in the next one we are going to take a look at creating the phone number input type, and as well create all the different interactive states for this variant we've created. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye guys.